Southern Illinois University's Aquaculture Research Lab and Illinois Indiana Sea Grant presents the Larval Yellow Perch Culture Video Guide. Module 8, Artemia. Getting started. Fill a 6-liter McDonald jar with 30 part per thousand salt water, aeration, and a stick heater to maintain a water temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Add Artemia cysts 1 gram per liter to container and leave for 24 hours, at least overnight, with a light source directed at the hatching container. Care for Artemia. Artemia must be attended to daily. Care includes separating cysts from hatched Artemia and monitoring food availability and water quality. The next day, to separate cysts from hatched Artemia, remove heater and aeration. Allow cysts and live Artemia to separate and settle out for about 10 minutes. Siphon live Artemia nauplii and culture water into a new, clean vessel and supply with aeration until ready to feed. At the end of the day, any Artemia remaining that has not been given as prey should be fed with algae. Hatched Artemia that is more than 24 hours old should receive a water change once a day. Artemia should not be kept for more than 48 hours and should be fed to fish. Water quality. Water quality must be maintained within these parameters. Temperature 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, pH 6.8 to 7.5, salinity 25 to 30 parts per thousand. Feeding. Algae fed to Artemia should be an amount such that the culture water becomes a light green color. Feeding should occur again when culture water has cleared. Care should be taken not to overfeed. Feeding can result in a decrease in water quality.